Hello, gastronomy enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the world of culinary delights, and we're exploring the art of creating a scrumptious vegetable lasagna. Lasagna is a dish that has stood the test of time and continues to be a crowd pleaser to this day. This recipe includes a medley of vegetables layered between sheets of lasagna pasta, creating a delightful and healthy dish that's easy on the stomach and tastes amazing. So, let's get started. The first step in creating this delicious vegetarian lasagna is to prepare your vegetables. We'll be using zucchini, bell peppers, onions, and mushrooms. You can choose to use any other vegetables that you like and are available in your kitchen. Once you've prepared your veggies, it's time to cook them in olive oil until they become soft and tender. Now comes the fun part: assembling your lasagna. Start by layering your cooked vegetables over the cooked lasagna sheets. Make sure to layer them evenly so your lasagna looks as good as it tastes. To add some extra flavor, you can sprinkle some vegan cheese or nutritional yeast over each layer of lasagna. This will give your lasagna an irresistible cheesy flavor without using any dairy products. After you've added all your layers, it's time to bake your lasagna for about 40 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit 190 degrees Celsius. Once it's done, let it cool for a few minutes before serving. And there you have it, a delicious and healthy vegetable lasagna that everyone can enjoy. Remember that the key to any great dish is using fresh ingredients and taking your time with each step. Thank you for joining me today on this gastronomic journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video and want more culinary adventures in our kitchen. Until next time, folks, happy cooking!